We know what interfaces are and how to create them, but we don't know how to use them yet. Let's have a look at that in this video. We're going to be implementing interfaces in our classes. When a class implements an interface, it does this using the implements keyword, followed by the name of the interface, in this case, my interface. The class must provide an implementation for all the methods in the interface. If the class does not provide a body for a method in the interface, the class must be declared as abstract, but this is something we'll see in more detail in a later video. Classes can also implement multiple interfaces. Let's move over to IntelliJ and implement some interfaces. So I'm not going to do this for all our classes, because that's going to be very repetitive and boring for you to watch. But let's do it for Fox. Our Fox extends mammal, and after the extends, we can add the implements keyword. And we're going to say implements predator. Right now, you can see a lot of red squiggly lines here, and that's because we're not implementing the method in predator yet. Predator has the method catch and eat. And as you can see, there's one related problem, namely that our Fox class does not implement the catch and eat method yet. Let's change this. By the way, you could also use a quick fix for this, but I actually want to show you what I'm doing here. So I'm going to say catch and eat. And then I'm just going to print a lay message saying Fox is catching and eating prey. All right. So I've now successfully implemented this interface. As I mentioned, a class can implement multiple interfaces. You can just comma separate them. So I'm going to add prey. Again, red squigglies. Why? Because I did not implement the run and hide method. Let me show you how to do this with the quick fix right now. So I'm going to hover over this, and then I can say implements methods, select the method, hit OK, and you can see it shows it here. What it did also add is actually the add override, which is good practice because we're overriding the no implementation from the interface. So let me also add this to catch and eat in a bit. So go ahead here and add override. This way, no one can come around and change our catch and eat and then break our code. So we're implementing interfaces with the implements keyword. We then must override all the abstract methods in our interface. Abstract methods are the ones without a body. Interfaces can actually also have methods with bodies. One of the ways to do that is default methods, which is what we're going to be having a look at in the next video.